Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Hulu on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and simply go into your search bar and search for Hulu, just like that. Click on the first application that pops up right over here, which is the Hulu Stream TV Shows and Movies by Hulu LLC. Simply go ahead and click on this download icon. And once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and take some time to install into your mobile device. It just depends on how fast your internet is. All you need to do after it is downloaded is click on this open device or open button and simply click on allow once it has opened. Finally, there you go. Now you can use this application to enjoy all the shows Hulu has to offer. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.